Since 1994, Conn's Tutorial has delivered the highest quality education at the lowest prices. Conn's Tutorial Brooklyn has been a cornerstone of community excellence for nearly 3 decades. When we returned to the area this month, we were met with open arms at the annual Prothomela on Church Avenue and McDonald Avenue. The festivities included games, puzzles, and conversations with families that have attended Conn's Brooklyn for decades. In addition to viewing the various booths, my mother and I had the honor of being recognized by organizers for our work in education, encouragement, and community building. Join us at Conn's Brooklyn's grand opening, as we also honor the life and contributions of our late founder, Dr. Mansour Khan. See you all soon at Conn's Tutorial Brooklyn.